PJ9567. Her name is Jane Rose R. Balantak, 23 years of age, single. She is a college level and she finished a caregiver course. Her hobbies are playing badminton, volleyball, and basketball. She is a computer literate and she loves cooking. She worked here in the Philippines as a locally made for 2 years. This is PJ9567. Will you please introduce yourself?
I am Jane Rose Balantak, 23 years old, single. I live in Batak City, Ilocos Norte. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. My parents are Mr. and Mrs. Roderick Balantak.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to earn money so that I give a financial support to my family.
Okay. Do you have any overseas experience?
No, sir.
But as stated into your biodata, you work here in the Philippines as a locally made for 2 years.
Yes, sir.
What then your duties and responsibilities during that year?
My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, and especially child care.
Do you have any experience in taking care of a baby?
Yes, sir.
Then what are your duties and responsibilities in taking care of the baby?
I know change a diaper, feeding, and bathing, sir.
How about in feeding them? Do you know how to feed the baby?
Yes, sir.
Change the diaper?
Yes, sir.
How do you know the baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, maybe she's hungry or have a sick.
Then what will you do if the baby is sick?
First aid, sir. Give them or get their temperature, sir.
Are you not going to inform soon to your future employer if the baby is sick?
Yes, sir.
So you will inform it first.
Yes, sir.
Very good. You mentioned that you know how to cook. What kind of dishes?
I know spaghetti, pancit, a Filipino food like adobo, sinigang, fried fish, and fried chicken, sir.
How about in Chinese food? Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, sir, and I'm willing to
Learn.
learn, sir.
Okay, so you're very much willing to learn to cook Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any skin allergy?
No, sir.
Can you sing a nursery rhyme?
Yes, sir.
Will you try to give example?
I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them tight, so clean and bright. Clap them so clean, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Very good. Any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, wait, sir. To my future employer, I promise that I will be a good sorry. To my future employer, I promise to you I'm being a good to your family, especially your children, and I promise also to finish my contract. Thank you.